What are the best way to attract people? So, yun yung pag-uusapan natin ngayon sa mga gamit mo sa lahat ng aspeto. Kung ikaw ay isang negosyante or isang online entrepreneur, so, or ikaw na may nag-a-attract ng gusto mong tao. So, let's go. Pag-usapan natin yan. So, pero bago yan, okay, welcome sa aking YouTube channel. So yun na nga guys, so number one sa ating listahan is be mysterious. So dapat misteryoso ka or misteryosa ka kasi it develops attraction towards you. Okay? And pangalawa, be less available. Okay? So kailangan ikaw yung tipong tao na hindi lagi available. So para medyo syempre okay, maka-attract ka ng maraming tao. So isipin nila lagi kang busy or marami kang wala ka masyadong time, kaya mas lalo silang ma-attract sa'yo. And next is be confident. So kailangan pakita mo na confident ka para yung tipong confident ka paano ka magsalita, paano ka mag-act like as you. Okay, so it show you are capable of doing things in a better way. And next is be well dressed. So kailangan maganda yung sabi nga first impression last. So your great dressing sense attracts the attention of others. So di ba lalo kapag kasi yung sa persuasion guys, sa law of attraction, mas kakaiba yung outfit mo, yung kakaiba yung damit mo, is mas nakaka-attract ka, okay, kumpara sa iba. Okay, so kailangan nyo lagi yung dress up mo is kakaiba. And next is smell good. So napaka-importante ng hygiene. So use powerful perfume and deo to catch others' attention. So guys, so i-try nyo yung ginagamit namin na Power Life DC Paris perfume. Nasa link lang guys. So pwede yung umorder no. Lalagay ko yung link sa comment section. And then next is important din, be less responsive to attract other people. So this will draw their attention towards you and will increase your demand. Ayun. And next is don't sell yourself so easily to the people. So let them make efforts to win you because people don't value the things which they get easily. Yeah. So kailangan wag mong ibibigay yung information lahat. Okay? Don't express yourself too much on social media. Okay? This kills the attraction, guys. So, kasi lahat pinupost mo sa social media, so wala nang kasi sa social media kailangan nag-build ka lagi ng curiosity. So, kapag nilahad mo na lahat ng information about you, so hindi na sila magiging curious sa'yo. And next is don't care what the people think about you. Yan. And don't be desperate while talking or texting to someone. No? So lalo kung ikaw ay isang negosyante, di ba? O kaya naman mayroon kang nagugustuhan ng isang tao, kapag lagi mo siyang pinapollow up, lagi mo siyang every hour mo lang siyang tinetext or tinatawagan o kinakausap. So, dapat huwag mong ipakita na ikaw ay isang desperado. Okay? Don't be needy. The more needy you become, the less attention you get. So, kailangan hindi ikaw yung may kailangan sila yung may kailangan sa'yo. So, kapag kasi, di ba, pag nagko-convince tayo ng isang kliyente or customer, kapag nararamdaman kasi nila na ikaw yung may kailangan, lalo silang tumatanggi, di ba? So, ikaw din mismo, learn to say no. Yeah. And be yourself. Don't chase yourself to win someone. Change yourself to improve. Okay? And don't reveal everything about yourself. Revealing everything about yourself makes you a less attractive person. Okay? So, kailangan nga masyadong limitado lang ang information na binibigay mo. And don't be affected if someone is not giving you importance you want to deserve. Alright? So, always be the one to end the conversation. So, So, don't show too much interest in anyone. Okay, so, dapat sila maging interesado sa iyo. And don't be too nice to the people. People will take you granted for it. And if you are destined to lose all the attraction. So, a strong sense of humor increase the attraction because it's also one of the things, one of the sign of an intelligent personality. So, yun na guys. Thank you and have a good